display here is my completed volcano. So I will show you how to make it erupt. First, I will pour the water with the food coloring inside this cup with the dishwashing soap. Now I will stir. Julia! Next, I will pour the baking soda. Wait! Juliana! Then I will pour the baking soda into the cup. What a light color. Don't mind that. Don't mind that either. Now I will pour this inside my volcano. Be a bit messy. Sorry.
Okay, that's it. Oh Lord.
Now
Just add the vinegar.
my vinegar. Oh no, move fast.
Pour more. I don't put more Dad.
This is the erupted volcano. And I would like to make a shout out to my partner Damani. She was supposed to help me with this project, but she wasn't able to come to do it. But she had done the full PowerPoint by herself. And thank you. Bye.